and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Kartel out, and everyone who needs to be happy is happy, and everybody who needs to be sad is sad. But on a note, on his side, he must be happy that he's finally finally freedom at last. But to be honest, the way that his health has deteriorated, he really needs to like sort that out ASAP. I know he's happy to be out, and I know everybody are going to bust them Moscato and do their little things, but I think the artist needs to sort out his health first, because he does sound different. It look like the thing, but the thing is in the autoimmune, the Graves disease that he has. I think they say have to do with somewhere, so maybe that's why his voice sounds so altered, not a little bit different, and his face look bad.
Yeah, man. Remember when I do wholesale and when I do retail, they are Mac, number one detail. Squad security. Mac squad, yeah? Find the box. No? Up there. Exposed!
His face look really sick, so he really need to go and get the help that he needs to get, so that him can be fit and ready for himself and his family, and also his fans. What are we the people
over nobody? If Vybz Kartel never behave like him a god over people in a certain aspects, and whole heap of we in the industry, Buju them and the whole of them, Sizzla, Caput and the whole of them behave like them a god over people. You understand? And that's why Jamaica people get left behind, because Jamaica people did not look for Uno. You drop the appeal right in at the time when you're going to drop your general or your local government election, and you gave the impression to all of us that on the 16th the DJ would be in the streets. That is the impression that a lot of us, the layman, get. But now we're hearing that it's somewhere down summer when them work it out. So use him as a big distraction, so that uno can busy and do what uno a do, while we wonder whether or not him a go free. So uno
people them come out.
Amazing thing you will ever hear or see by your television in life. When we say it's the most amazing thing, it's the most amazing thing in life you will ever hear or see by your television, pertaining to women who are defend them world boss. Remember, you know, it's love him, you know. The court say Vybz Kartel guilty, and these are people who love him and want him to be freed. But I'm going to make you listen to where the woman them on the street I say. This is so amazing. Listen to this. This is the stepping razor, the art of war.
Chop it off, and if there's an offense or chop him off.
Him not kill a liar, him don't kill a judge, him not kill a tapanized policeman. The man where him kill is a man where him and him a run up and down every day together. They are do them wrong, them should have overlooked it and give.
I mean, that is not...
Him have him kids them, him have him wife, him have him family.
It's too harsh.
I wonder if you don't hear what the woman say. I wonder if you don't really, it's two woman attack. I wonder if you really hear it. Let me repeat what the woman say. The first one say, the Bible say, if you write an offend, you chop it off. And lizard offend, we have to chop him up. The second one say, him never kill no liar. Him never kill no big man. No, him friend where him run up and down around the place him kill. Them should have eased him up. Hey, no, serious, Jai. What, you ever hear not like that in your life? And it's not hate, them hate him, you know. The judge say him guilty, you know. And them are demonstrate because them are say, obviously these women not saying him not guilty, you know. Them just a say, boy, them fi ease him up. This is a man where them say commit murder. Which it's not people where uptown a cuss and I say him guilty, you know. It's not people where hate him I say him guilty, you know. It's the woman them will love him, I say. You see that man, yeah, him guilty, you know, but you can't ease him up. But the worst thing is when the woman say, it's not no liar him kill, it's not no big man him kill, and him friend where him and him run up and down around the place him kill, them should have ease him up. No, this is so serious. This is so serious. What I give talk? What I give? I said this thing. It's amazing. I mean, it's scary. Not only amazing, it's scary. It's scary. It's scary because all these people in the road is supposed to be saying him don't do the crime. But apparently, a lot of the people them on the road feel him do the crime, but him not deserve to go to jail. What the hell is happening here? What is we really are going? If some people are demonstrate about something where them feel say it's true, why you hear the people them say them a treat him harsh? Nobody not treat him harsh, him not get no sentence yet. Them just find him guilty. So you say, even though him do the thing, them wrong for find him guilty. That is where the woman them a say, and you have two more women the panel to me never play neither, you know. You have a next woman I say, we know same wicked, you know. But them not have to treat him so. We know same wicked, but them could have give him a chance. Me I tell you no. This fat woman in her white t-shirt, she have ball out in front of the camera. Me know same wicked, you know. But them not have to treat him so they can't give him a chance. Wow. Jamaica, that's over there now. I really that's over there. Where were they? We're there on the cricket.
What are we the people them come out downtown? What are we the people them come out at our street? People roadblock. The amount of people, young, old, picnic and breasts, all type of everybody. Even there was even a lady there. I think, you know, happiness is contagious. And the more people are happy, the more it will catch on to other people, and everybody just happy for everything that's going on. Because a lot of people came out. There was this I wouldn't say elderly, but there was this older lady. She said she's a Christian and she's not really a dancehall person, and she listened to Vybz Kartel song, but I guess she get caught up in the whole free world boss thing. So them get caught up in the whole and that. So people come out and people are support, which is good. It's good. So we have the ability to work together. So it's not that we as Jamaicans, we don't have the ability to work together. We can work together, but it's just that we're not working together. We're not coming out as strong as we need to come out when it concerns ourselves, like when it concerns the citizens of the country. So when there are things like the legislation and other political stuff that a lot of people might not understand, it's like they don't pay much attention to what is really going on. But if it's something to do with them favorite artists, if it's something to do with them politicians, once a people who are famous and have a lot of following, almost like a cult type of following, once you have those people those people will come out for that kind of cause. But for a cause that is gonna benefit all of us, people don't really come out and march and do all of those things. But I guess there is something special about Kartel in a little way, I guess. Maybe, you know, something maybe kind of special about him. I don't know. Yeah, I like Kartel song, but as for Kartel as a person, I don't know. I don't like celebrity like that. Like, I like the work. If I should like a celebrity, I'm liking them based on the work that they have done. So their songs or whatever movies they're in, or the way how they play that role, that is what I like. I don't know the person himself. So really and truly, I don't know Vybz Kartel character. I don't know nothing about those people. I just know that he does a lot of song and a lot of girl tune. And when you got, you know, you can't broke out and go on and go on yourself. Although I'm a grown woman now and I'm too old for broken out and all those things. But you still can't imagine in your head and imagine say, hey, back it up and the dump truck. You still can't imagine what you know. So I don't know how people have this love. I don't know how people have this love for celebrity as if it's their family. I see people crying over celebrity. People are happy with them when certain things are going. Like me personally, those things, me no matter about anything them answer. Me no know nothing about no celebrity, and I don't wish to know nothing about no celebrity. As long as whatever the job is that you do and I like what you do, that is what I'm interested in. But to say I'm interested in the celebrity per se, no. Anyway guys, the Olympics has started, and this weekend I think track and field is gonna be starting this weekend. And you know how that go, because you know who will be dominating the track and field event. You don't know what the 100 meter and the 200 meter and the relay, those are the main, yeah, and them something to draw people. So we're gonna see what the girls are going on with today. The Jamaican girls, the American ladies, wherever they're from in the Caribbean, in Africa, all the people that are competing. I hope they remain injury free and they put on a spectacular performance. This year is Shelly Ann Fraser's last Olympic. Yeah, this year our last Olympics. So she retired from Olympic, not from track and field, but from the Olympics, because the next Olympic is not until the next 4 years, and she's not gonna be the next 4 years. Shelly Ann will be 41 the next 4 years, so I guess that's why she has retired from competing again at that level. But obviously there are different games that the pocket rocket will be competing in. Anyway, I was watching the news over here in the UK too. That's why I said I can't go enough. No matter what I go on, I can't go enough for Jamaica. I know. I was watching the news the other day where the far right white extremist group
Bill again, the racket Looks like it's shift swap, guys, shift swap.
A lady of him just literally
It's a shift swap, they swap shifts.
But them come out and, you know, them a do them thing and them a do them thing. I'm glad some never throw no stone behind me. And when me say Jamaica paradise, me literally mean say Jamaica is paradise. So all of you who want come here and throw a stone behind, you know, when the far right people them come out and start blatantly I come for, you know, then enough of no go eat back on no words but oh Jamaica too rough and things not when you look about business of Jamaica things too hard.
To get the message across that this is England and it's a white country and we are not racist, we are just patriotic.
And they make it this and they make it that and they make it tara and that. Well, when the far rights people then come and when them people are run way out of them country, you will know. Me glad say me never throw no stone back at me at Jamaica, my love, me no the police force, the JDF nor the JCF not looking for me. So definitely good girl know say me can't go back on my paradise island at any time. So anytime these people decide say, yo, we need them kind of people there out our place. Say no more, my brother. Say no more. Yeah? Say no more. Because me not have no warrant out for me at Jamaica. And me not have no enemy. Not that me know of me love. So Jamaica will always be my place. So a lot has been going on in the UK RACIALLY now, because according to them some asylum seeker caused some harm to a small child, which there is no way, because me know say someone will hear me talk and think it, then you know hear what the man do, how you agree with it. You're not stupid. I'm not agreeing with what the person has done, but it's like these people don't understand that the government always try to turn us up. It's like people just hard to understand. The government use
question, and if people are fed up seeing me or don't like the questions, just move on. It's fine. But why are mosques being attacked? Why are people in the street, you know, up in Hartlepool the other night being attacked for walking up it? Why are people in cars driving down the road and then the cars getting smashed up? Like, all this anger and hatred is getting directed at the wrong people. It should all be directed at the government. The government and the previous governments in charge are dividing the people. They're corrupt and they lie to you all the time. Attacking the likes of mosques is not the way forward. If people want to protest against immigration, by all means do it. Everybody has a right to protest. But this isn't the way forward. In Liverpool right now, there's a group of people of all different races defending a mosque with police in between them and then another group on the other side of the road. Like, the people are divided. The anger is getting pointed in the wrong direction. And it's only going to get worse. Genuine question.
separation as the biggest tool to separate black from white from Asian. I mean, everybody, the government use that to separate us. So they always, as far back into history as you can go, people always blaming the newcomers or the people who come as the problem. So that, I think the government do that because we take the eyes off the elite people them. So the people them who really doing the damage them just sit back and I laugh and I watch the game between us, we and them and we, while all those elites, the richest people them who, the real people them who control this place where we live on, the piece of place where we live on, these people, they put up so much obstacles so that we fight against each other and forget who we're supposed to fight for. So instead of fighting against each other, instead of we understand, say no, the problem is not each other, you know, the problem our day up so set up, the elite them set up the liberty in a certain way, so that's it just cause chaos all the time and it keep us distracted. But who know and who know my love, and everybody will get serious. Somewhere go, I don't know, get washed away the flood. A flood, I don't even know a flood or what, brimstone and fire or whatever. Somewhere will get to another because some of us refuse to acknowledge, like we think it's them against us or us against them. My love, and not us against them. It's a whole poorer sector. It's us against the elite, and the elite putting all type of distraction in the middle to separate us. So if you guys want to fall for that, good for you. Me not fall for that because I know it's not black and white. The problem is not as simple as black and white. The problem is not simple as that. People try to put immigration and say always blaming newcomers, like, so to keep the eye off the real problem, they always blame immigration. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. This video is a very short video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe and come back for more video. Peace. See ya.